Hello and welcome to your next car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to do a short video of this lovely BMW 320 M Sport, covered just over 91,000 miles. It's a one owner car. It's going to be priced at 12,991, which is a really good price for this type of vehicle. All the mileage has been done on the motorway. Okay, I'll take you around the vehicle. As you can see, it's a genuine M Sport vehicle with the flared up bumpers. We've added our finishing touches to it. The bottom Y&C splitter, the grille, 19-inch shadow, original BMW alloys on run flat tyres. It's not a mark on the alloys, just freshly refurbished. M logos on the wings. Lovely black colour, goes really well. Black privacy glass. Tyres are all very good. Alloys in good condition. Okay, coming to the back of the car, it's got the parking sensors. It's the X-Drive model, which is very rare. You've got two options to open the boot. For local shopping trips, you can just open the glass cover, very convenient. For bigger loads, open the big boot. Okay, this car is very pet friendly. The load cover, dog cover is easily taken off for when you have extra shopping. Auto boot, closes nice and easy. Driver's side of the vehicle, as you can see, is in very good condition. Just do you a close-up so you can just see the alloys, how good they look. Lovely Bridgestone alloys. Okay, coming into the inside of the vehicle, black Dakota leather, silver trimmings with a blue, looks really nice. Car smells very nice, no odours. Coming onto the inside, again, show you the driver's door card, auto lights, auto wipers. Got the satellite navigation. Covered just over 91,000 miles. Got the cruise control function. DAB, sat nav. Full service history. All done by BMW. Next oil service is due in 6,000 miles. To show you the passenger seat, the back seats, all very nice. Coming around to the front of the car, because it's done just over 91,000 miles, it does have a few stone chips. As you can see, a few stone chips on the front bumper and the bonnet. BMW LED headlights. All round, I would say it's an awesome vehicle with high mileage, good value for money. Hope this video was helpful, and we currently have 160 BMWs ready to go. Thank you for watching.